Hello, all my teaching friends. The resource we're going to look at today is called Edpuzzle. If you're unfamiliar with Edpuzzle, this resource hits two of the biggest areas in the education topic today. They are student engagement and interactivity of lessons. Edpuzzle offers an interactive aspect to one of the most non-interactive features of a classroom. That's you watching a video. So we're going to start off by looking at probably one of my favorite aspects of Edpuzzle, and that is simply to log in. I'm going to log in as a teacher, and you get to log in with Google. I'm a big fan of any app that lets you log in with Google, just because that's one less username and password that I've got to remember of the 150,000 that I already have. So we log in with Google, and we get the standard select your account. We've all done this before. Now, with Edpuzzle, it gives you the opportunity to create classes and invite your students in. As you see, whenever I logged in, it prompted me to invite students. Now, if you want to go ahead and invite students, you can. Now, it does ask you to verify your account, so I will take care of that. Now, in your classes, you can click Add a New Class, name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Demo, add the class. Now, you can see you got do assignments, no do assignments, and student. Passkey. We click Invite Students. Do you have parental consent? If you're a teacher, hopefully you do. Continue. Now, you can either give your students this account, this passkey, or you can give them this address. You can also share it on Google Classroom. This gives you another opportunity to add things to your Google Classroom. Yes, Edpuzzle works well with Google Classroom. Now, we need to go to content. Now, the wonderful thing about this is you can pull any kind of content. You do not have to create your own content. As you can see over here, we have popular channels listed. Edpuzzle has their own videos. YouTube, Khan Academy, National Geographic, TED Talks, Veritasium, Numberphile, Crash Course. All of these are very popular video outlets. What I would suggest is, I know a lot of us use YouTube. If you use YouTube or Khan Academy, simply click the one that you know, such as YouTube, and search for whatever video you want. I teach a lot of chemistry, so I will put in chemistry, and it will bring up all these chemistry videos. And you can pick whichever one you like, view them all, and pick the one that best suits your needs. Once you click on one, you can click to watch it, edit it, or you can simply copy it. I'm going to edit it so you can see the other features. Now, typically we may watch parts of a video, may watch all of a video, but if you only want to watch parts, you can click on crop. If you want to add your own voiceover, you can do that here. Audio notes. As teachers, we all have input that we would like to add to our videos. This gives you that option. And then probably my favorite function of Edpuzzle is the quizzes. If you click on quizzes, you can see down here, it pops up with a little green question mark. As you're playing through, say we get to this point and we want to add a question. We simply click the question, and we can pick whatever kind of question we want. It can be open-ended question. It can be a multiple choice question. Or you can just add a comment. Now, the great thing about this is the fact of once you have finished this, and you tell it which one's the right answer, which one's the wrong answer, and Edpuzzle will grade it once they are finished. Once they're finished, Edpuzzle will grade it. Now, I know one of the most frequently asked questions is, what happens if they skip a question? They don't really have that option. You can turn that one off. You do not have to give them the right to edit a question. To skip a question. So therefore, they have to answer every question, and when they're finished, they receive a grade that does get recorded in your. Let's go back. It does get recorded in your gradebook. All right. So not only does it grade things for you, it keeps track of your analytics. It also creates an interactive environment for your students. So it's not simply just watch a video and then later we're going to answer some questions on it, or later we're going to discuss it. You can discuss it during the video. You can ask questions during the video, as well as grade them. This is also going to be useful for your students. And what I mean by that, this is very easy for your students to do their own video, to show their learning or what they have learned to teach others. I hope this has been beneficial for you, and I hope you enjoy using Edpuzzle in the future. Thank you for your attention.